Hey, Matt here at 911R. We have this RSR build that we did up in our Portland shop a few years ago, and we're now representing it again. I want to go around and talk about this car. This car is a 72 911, and we built a 3.2 short stroke motor in it, and everything on this car was been done. It's a full rotisserie build. Took about a year and a half build to do this car. It has EB steel fenders front and rear on it. It has EB fiberglass front hood and ducktail spoiler and EB front and rear bumpers on the car. 930 calipers all the way around on it. Let's come around and see the inside of this car. GTS Classic did the custom seats with the exposed amber fiberglass shells, corduroy seats with the brass rivets. We also put heated seats in this car, so a nice little addition if it's on a brisk day. All the gauges have been restored. It has Alcantara dash and tops of the doors front and rear. The lightweight Perlon carpet. We also did put sound deadening in the car to make it a little more nice on the street underneath. Wevo shifter, Momo steering wheel. It has the 911R rear style roll bar with a nice curved radiuses at the top, 4-point seat belts. Come around to the back. This is where this car really shines. It has, like I said, the 3.2 short stroke motor on it with a Raw Sport Motec ITB fuel injection. Also it has to match the seats, the amber fiberglass engine shrouds and tans. Headers underneath. It doesn't have heat on the heat exchangers because we really built this car for performance and power. Really, these aren't a real cold weather car. But everything you can see is finished on the car. Underneath in here, all the inside and the bottom of the car is finished just as nice as the top. Coming around to this side, another note on this car, the window frames are all been redone and polished, and then they were clear powder coated, so they're really nice and durable, but they look really clean and original. Brand new Michelin TB tires front and rear on braid Fuchs style wheels. Fire extinguisher quick mounted in the rear. Again, see the dash has all been redone and beautiful new headliner in the car as well. Everything nice works and closes really nice and sharp on the car. Come around to the front, we'll open it up. I always put even a safety catch on these, even when they do have the straps. I've seen way too many hoods go flying open. But in here we got the elephant cross brace front struts assembly, carbon fiber hood support, heavy duty Odyssey battery. Then center fill fuel tank. We put the spare tire back in there. These are on quick releases, so you can pull it out real quickly and nicely. All the HVAC, plumbing, and everything is still there. If you wanted to add AC, this would be a perfect car to do it with the classic retrofit electric AC conversions. It's got a big front mount RSR oil cooler, all new lines run from back with the elephant finned oil lines. Everything on this car fits and finish is nice as you can be. The last owner of the car did a full PPF on the full car with a ceramic coating, so the paint's very well protected. So this is a really high-end build. This will probably be a $350,000 build if you were to do it today. So any questions on the build, please use the contact seller button. We're happy to answer and see what we can do with it. Thank you very much.